Welcome back, guys, to another video. Here you can see we have had our very first snowstorm for this season, and this is our backyard. This is what the deck looks like, and guys, I'm not very happy about it because I have to go to work, I have to take the kids to school, and I know I have to go out there to clear the car of snow because I did not park in the garage. So luckily for me, when I went out, Alistair was already out and he cleared both cars of snow. So I am good to go and I'm happy for that.